In the first video we learned up to printing of our desired circuit on the copper clad is completed. In this video we will complete the remaining process. Take the board, design on copper clad, without holes. Take ferric chloride and water in the desired vessel, avoid wearing hand rings. Place your board in chemical and tilt and shake your board, until the unwanted copper gets removed on that. Take tincture with cotton and clean the board with that tincture cotton. This is basic drilling machine for PCB making. With that machine drill holes at component places for your board, to place component. After drilling is completed with the sandpaper brush at the holes of your board. After brushing of your board then apply the flux at the holes. This is my board after drill and applying the holes. Take all your components required to design the circuit like resistor, diodes etc. Then adjust all your components to your circuit according to your design. This is my circuit design, and board with all components. After adjust components in their positions, reverse your board and solder with lead properly. After adjust components in their positions, reverse your board and solder with lead properly. After soldering is completed then brush the soldering part in PCB liquid, then PCB manufacture is completed then apply input. If you did everything correct then let it will start blowing, process of manufacturing PCB is completed.
Hey there, you never miss any new update. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hello viewers, you can watch my videos by search youtube.com/Chakravarthi Technology. And you can also watch my videos by facebook.com/Chakravarthi Technology.